At the end of this video you know how to make this house, but you also know the basics of building a house. The nice thing about this house is that you can just use the wood type you find in your environment. The color of your house could be different, but all the blocks are just the same. A starter house is a house to start with. Well, that makes sense, right? But it means that it's not so big and you build it only with the materials that you can find in the area you are. To build this house we want to make, we are gonna need these materials. To be able to make all those materials, including all the details, we have to gather in total 217 wood logs, 144 cobblestone and 6 sand, according to my calculation. Sounds like a lot, but collecting one wood log or cobblestone takes less than a second with a stone tool. So if you have enough trees and stone around, you should be done in 5 minutes. Of course you can first get a part and later collect more. But enough already, let's get building. This house is gonna be 9 by 7 blocks. We are gonna start with the foundation of the house. Place a wood log, then put 5 cobblestone next to it, and then again a wood log. Turn around the corner and put 7 cobblestone, following by 1 wood log. Now we are gonna do the same going back. Place 5 cobblestone, 1 wood log, turn around the corner and put another 7 cobblestone. Now we have the foundation and we can remove the grass or dirt floor and replace it with wood planks. So we have a nice looking floor, just like this. Next we are gonna build the walls. Start with the 4 corners and put 3 more wood logs on it, so it will be 4 blocks high right now. Do this for every corner. When you're done, connect the front pillars with the back pillars like this. Then go to the side of the house and put 2 layers of wood planks. But on the second layer we are gonna skip the second and the second to the last block to make windows. Do the same thing on the other side of the house. To make glass, you put the 6 sand blocks you collected in the furnace to melt it. They will turn into glass blocks. Put them like this in your crafting grid so you can make glass panes, which looks nicer as a window than a whole block. 1 in every gap we left in the walls. Now, let's make the other 2 walls with stripped wood logs. You can make a stripped wood log by placing a wood log and then right click on it with your axe. Let's fill 1 layer with logs. Make sure that you place it looking down, not to the side. Then it would look weird. When you placed 1 layer, you strip all of them with your axe. Be careful not to strip the corner logs, by the way. Repeat this filling and stripping until you have 4 layers. After that, put 3 more in the middle and 1 more on the top of that. So then it looks like this. Do the same thing on the other side of the house. When you are done, you can choose on which side you want to have your door. By now I think you know how to find the ingredients of every item, so I will stop telling you how to do it. Remove 2 wood logs. If you place the door when standing in front of the house, it will be placed like this. But it's nicer to place it while standing inside. As you can see, it gives a bit more of depth in the house. Now we are gonna make the roof. But before we do that, let's put some torches inside already so it will not get dark inside. To make the roof, we are gonna use stairs. Place your cobblestone stairs on the top side of the side wall like this. Make sure you click on the lower part of the block that you put it on, otherwise it will be put upside down. Do the same on the other side of the house. Now we are gonna repeat this for the rest of the roof, but with wooden stairs. If you don't know how to climb up, use some dirt blocks to make a way up, or pile your way up by jumping while looking down and hold down your mouse button. Place the stairs on top of the wall. On the next layer, you have to make sure that you place it while standing a bit behind the stairs, like this. If you put it too much on the side, it will be placed wrong. So, stand a bit behind at the side and click on the lower part of the other stair and make the line complete. Be careful that you don't fall, by the way. You can prevent falling by holding shift while walking. This makes you sneak. As long as you sneak, you cannot fall. Make 3 lines of wooden stairs and do the same on the other side. At the top, place stone slabs from left to right. As you can see, the roof looks pretty boring from the front and the back. So we are gonna make it overhang like this. But then still it looks weird. So we are also gonna place upside down stairs underneath it like this. Let's start here. It's important that you sneak while doing this to don't fall. Place 1 block and then stand on that block. Turn around, sneak backwards and place the upside down stairs like this. Be sure you point now to the top of the other block so it will go upside down. Now keep doing this until you are almost in the middle. Then you go to the other side and you do the same thing. If you find it difficult to hold shift to sneak, you can change it in the menu to only click once. Press escape, press options, accessibility settings. Here you see that to sneak you have to hold the key. If you click on it, it will switch to toggle, which means you can click on it once and then you sneak until you click on it again. See what you like more. Anyways, now that we did both sides, we just have to connect them in the middle. We put one upside down stair like this. Then one on top of it and the last one again upside down. It could be easier to do the last run from the floor while standing on the dirt block. Repeat everything that you just did on the other side of the roof. Inside, we are first gonna close up the space a bit by putting planks on both sides just like this. Now go to the side of the roof, to the middle wooden line and take out 3 stairs like this. Then put a cobblestone stair while standing on the side, so it will bend. Do the same on the other side. Now just place a slab on top of them and a glass pane inside. Do the same with the right side and after that the same at the other side of the house. Now you see that this roof looks way better than before. With the roof on the house, your house is ready enough to put your stuff inside. But of course we would like to make it a bit nicer. Let's start inside. In the middle of the house, place a beam of wood log from left to right like this. Then make a pillar on both sides. Now we are gonna make a small extra floor upstairs. Place wooden slabs above you on this side of the room. Make sure that you put it on the upper part of the wood logs, not below, otherwise things will not fit good. Keep one spot open in the middle end. Create 4 ladders and place them so you can reach the upper floor. Up here, we are first gonna close up the space a bit by putting slabs just like this. Now create some fences and place 3 fences on the edge. Place your bed here with a double chest on the other side. We can make the bed a bit nicer with a trapdoor on the end and 2 signs on the side. When you place the sign, you can write something on it, but just click done. Let's go down and place 3 furnaces to your left. Then place 2 trapdoors on the back wall. Make sure that you put it here, on the upper part of this block and not on the lower part of the block above, so we can put a double chest on it. On the other side we do the same. Lastly, we place a double chest on the floor here and above it again a trapdoor with a chest on it. Let's finish the inside of the house. Place a crafting table here with a wooden slab and an upside down stair like this. On the other side, place 2 stairs on the floor with 1 fence in between. If you put a wooden pressure plate on top of the fence, it will look like a table with 2 chairs. Now let's place some wooden stairs on all these places to make nice arches. In between you can put some trapdoors, as well as underneath, just like this. Let's go outside now. Place some fences on the corner logs at the sides of the house. Do this only on the sides, not on the front or the back. Next, let's put 5 dirt blocks on the side walls. Surround these blocks with trapdoors at the front and at the side and close the trapdoors. Did you find any nice flowers in your neighborhood? Get some and put them in here. Repeat this on the other side. Let's not forget to make the front of the house look a bit nicer. Replace the block above the door with an upside down stair. And above that, replace 2 blocks with glass panes. You can also make 1 small window on the back of the house, by the way, but only like this. Lastly, let's place 2 composters next to the door. If you got iron already, you can make shears and with that get leaves from a tree and put them here. But we are gonna look for iron in the next video, and you can put the leaves then. But I will put it for now already. Finally, let's make the crop place. Place 2 wood logs at the back of the house with 3 blocks distance. Then skip 3 blocks and place 2 more on the other side. The blocks in between we can fill with fences. Except one here, because here we are gonna place a fence door to be able to enter. Now place 2 fences on all 4 wood logs. Place cobblestone slabs on top of them like this. Connect the sides with more cobblestone slabs. Place 3 more cobblestone slabs against the wall. Now place wooden slabs until the second last block. And as a final line, let's finish it with cobblestone slabs. To be able to grow crops, you need to put water with a bucket, and for a bucket we need iron, which we don't have right now. But I'll show you already how it's done. Make a hole, place the water inside, and now you can make the grass ready to grow weeds by using the hoe like this. Seeds you can find by punching grass around you. Sometimes they drop a seed. You can put them in the floor now, and over time they will grow into weeds. And with that weeds you can make bread and do other useful things. And that's it! You've built yourself a beautiful starter house and a great little headquarter. If you made it this far, you definitely made an amazing progress. Well done! In the next video I will teach you what to do now you have your starter house. Leave a like if you find this video useful and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.